Hello everyone. Today I discuss four signs in the relationship won't last long. Okay, what are the four signs will have the red flags in the relationship and how to overcome? I will go dig deeper inside those things and why it is very much affecting in the relationship. If you avoid those four red flags, you can have the wonderful relationship and lot of things we need to measure to have the best form of relationship. Okay, coming to the topic the four predictors of relationship failures are criticism, defensiveness, contempt and stonewalling. Here contempt is completely impact the immune system of your partner. Okay, main thing without our notice criticism plays very danger role. Criticism, defensiveness. What happened here is every time if you criticize for your sake, if you are there is a lot of different variations in this four red flags in the relationship. Here one by one we can go through criticism. If your partner done any mistake, or if your partner do anything differently, or whether he don't know anything, if you criticize him and if you criticize on the moment itself without understanding their own intention, it will affect more in their immune system. Okay, they will suffer a lot, and it is the starting point of breakage of your pure love and pure way of handling the relationship. That is one of the important thing we need to take care. Defensiveness also plays. I also need to change lot of things here in my personal level. Defensiveness, stonewalling is I need to change here actually, and I face lot of issues in this situation. I need to change a lot in this one. Stonewalling means he is like a stone. He don't express anything whatever the intentions inside of that one. And defensiveness also plays a dangerous role in the these are the four red flags, and there is lot of deeper meaning inside these four things actually. Okay, to come out of these ones, we need to make we need to express, we need to have positive communication towards your partner and take responsibility. Being open to influence is one of the important thing. We need to have open communication. Open communication plays major important role in the relationship that will affect you. And the positive communication means we need to understand from their partner shoes, and how you we have three types of communication in the relationship. We can directly force them to do the things, we can neutralize the things, and we can request the things. Okay, the way of communication, the way of your body language, the way you are expressing with your tone will plays major important role in the relationship growth. If you don't understand, if you don't aware of your own tone, own way of voice, how you are communicating, whether you are vibrating with love or whether you are vibrating negatively, whether you are vibrating strong, you need to understand. That will affect your partner in such a way that that will affect more to you and your partner. That is very much important. We need to take handling conflicts constructively. Here, for long time success, we need to handle the conflicts in this way. For first, we need to listen each other, we need to respect the differences, and open to compromise. Here, our ego will stop for compromise certain things. It will come by practice, and it will come. You are truly love your partner, and it will come the patience for your long time game in the relationship. Compromise will place major, because in the argument, if you win the argument, you lose the person. That is one of the thing I get from people. And you need to understand, winning is not the game. Understanding, think from their shoes, think from their emotional level, plays major important role in the relationship. That is one of the important thing. And here another thing, instead of setting down, being defensive, don't shut down or defensive. I need to practice this one away. Every time if there is any conflict, I am defensive, I'm shut down, because I am the man, I have that type of nature. So men need to understand this one. Don't be shut down when there is a conflict. You need to participate in the discussion in a constructive way, or you need to compromise. You need to understand their own feelings in the relationship. Partner should encourage. We need to engage in positive conflict resolution strategies to grow together. This session will help you very great intensified relationship. If you understand these things clearly, you can avoid lot of conflicts, 85% of the conflicts, if you practice these things. And next we can go through role of physical intimacy and connection. Okay, here here the small touch and the small hug, or if you have small affection towards your partner, will help you a lot in a positive way. The way you are touching, the way you are taking your partner, the way you are giving respect towards your partner, the way you are handling, the way you are listening, the way you are taking care about your emotions plays major important role in the long term, because people need that small concern. Because lot of times I observed, they don't aware of this concept. Before that also I am not aware of this concept. After awareness of these concepts, my game towards the relationship changed. And our communication plays major important role. The touch, the way our behavior plays major important. If you don't care, if you take granted, it become dry. Your there is no newness, there is no spark, and there is no freshness in your relationship. That plays major important role, we need to consider. Okay, and the last and foremost thing is, we have we have different tools. I will provide you different tools in my sessions. Actually, the tools will help you how we need to communicate with the partner, what are the language we need to use, and how every day regular practice we need to maintain to make the vibration in our level. And we need to know the communication possibilities. We need to know how we can enhance your communication every day. That plays major important role in the relationship, because nowadays sometimes in the working world, in this world, in this everyday work culture, whatever things we are doing, we forget certain things. After losing the people, after losing certain emotions, we feel the importance of that one. So be careful. If you are perfect in the relationship, if you are emotionally highly vibrated in the relationship, you can get a lot of things in the life. And you are emotionally highly vibrated. If you are emotionally vibrated, your career, your achievements towards the success is in the doorstep. These are the things I want to tell you today. And thank you very much from my heart. I'm telling, I'm really happy. The people who are expressing my thoughts, and they are giving value, and they are learning from me, and they are encouraging me in these videos. I'm really happy for the people who are watching me my videos, and thankful and grateful for you. And people are discussing with me by sharing their views and the comments as well. And if you know more information related to this stuff, you can share the comments, you can message me, we can have a great discussion. And for the people, I'm giving free, absolutely one-to-one free clarity calls. Those who are absolutely need to make their relationship grow, to make the best form of themselves in the relationship, and they make their stress level completely down. I am here to help you if you are interested. And I'm learn from you people, not like I'm going to tell. I learn from you people. I want to learn from the situations you are handling. That is the best practices I want to share with you, and I share all the details of one-to-one clarity calls below as well. And very thankful those who are watching me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and podcast. And thank you very much for the people who are encouraging me. You people are really awesome. Thank you.